have to change your partner to be under a different partner. So if you are here because you want to join Kami Forex VIP Signal, then you must have been requested to change your partner from whosoever you were under to be under Kami Forex partner link, so that you can be able to benefit from his free VIP signal. So all you have to do to change your partner is you click on these three lines up here. You scroll right down. When you get to live chat, you click on live chat. Once you're on live chat, all you have to do is to type change my partner or change my IB. So when you click on change my partner, the bot is going to send you a link for you to click on and fill in some details. Here is your unique link to change your partner. You click on this link. To proceed the partner change request, you need to provide the information below. Now, first one is select reason for partner change. So here you have 4 different reasons. You have education, you have trading signal. So you are going to be selecting trading signal purpose. And now, new partner link, take note of this. New partner link means you are going to be coming right to my Telegram community. You click on the pin messages and then you will see this is my partner link. You will tap on it and you hold and you click on copy link. So you are going to be pasting this link where you see new partner link. This way you are going to be under Kami Forex, and if you have any challenge with Exness, I can easily assist you or follow you through it. Now, where did you find your new partner? It's very easy. You can put, if you're from TikTok, you can put if you're from WhatsApp, you can put if you are from my website. Most of the time you can just put kamiforex.com. That's from my website, right? Then leave a comment. You can now say, please, I will like to be under him, or Kami Forex, under Kami Forex, and you click on submit. Once you click on submit, they are going to be telling you if your request have been approved or you are ineligible. Now, if they say you are ineligible and you still want to be in my VIP signal group, all you have to do is to come back here and click on this link and register a new account using a different email, but maintaining your name, your address, and everything. Exness doesn't bother if you have so many trading accounts. So long as they are with different emails, there is no problem. So go ahead and create a new account under me and send me that email or a trading account that you have created. So once your account have been approved, log in back into your trading account and create a new trading account. If you do not create a new trading account, it means even when you are going to be trading, it's going to be shown that you're not under me. So for you to be sure that you're under me, create a new trading account and send me the trading account number. I am going to be verifying if you are actually under me or not, so that you can have access to join my VIP signal group. Remember, it's free for lifetime. But if you do not want to change your partner and you want to be where you have been, then you are going to be paying for my VIP signal. That's just how it is, guys. So let me know if you have any question. Make sure you DM me on Telegram and you DM me on WhatsApp any inconveniences that you are facing. See you on the next one.